FaithRenee, and I'm back again with another video. And as you can tell by the title today, I'm going to be helping you guys green screen on Android and iOS without having a green screen background and just simply recording a video, removing the background, and adding your own background on it. Simple. So before you get this video, make sure you smash that like button, make sure you hit the subscribe button, and become a neighbor because if Renee way or no way, that's some what, that's some
periods. Some
period. Anyways, and also make sure that your notification bells are on so you'll be able to upload videos because you don't miss on anything. And let's get into the video. Even though I just stumbled over my words, but let's get into the video. Okay, so basically the apps that you're going to be needing is CapCut, and if you have a video, if you have taken before we even get started, if you took a thumbnail and the video isn't the same exact spot as the thumbnail, which usually it is, unless you're like using pictures that you already have before the video, like how I take a thumbnail, my videos always filmed in the same spot as my thumbnails are taken. So like if you're like me and you take thumbnails like during the video, like after you say let's get into the video, or like before the video starts at the end of your videos, and then you screenshot them, what you would do is if you were going to use that same background, you should take that background that you already have and just like move out of the way of the camera, but have it set up where you're recording it, and like just leave it for a couple of seconds, and then you can, once you go back and edit, you can screenshot it, and then you can go and blur it or add whatever you want to that, and then you can add it to the background. Or you can do it this way and you can just add you can just like do Pinterest and just download a couple of photos. So you would just go to Pinterest and just search up aesthetic backgrounds and stuff like that. So room ideas or stuff like that, just certain stuff, whatever you want your background to be, and then you can just save it. And then once you do that, you can just hop right into CapCut and hop into CapCut, and you're going to add the photo. And don't mind the photos, I just chose a random photo because this is a tutorial, and most people use this for TikTok anyways. But even though TikTok doesn't have this the feature now, but some people use it for TikTok, or some people use it for skits. People use it for all different things, so it's not just separately for YouTube, but you can, say, oh, this is a tutorial how to green screen your for YouTube without having to do a whole bunch of that other stuff. So after you do that, you can just add the video, and you can just make it however long, the picture however you want, and just make it however long it is. And one thing you can also do is, if you know how long the video is, so say the video was like 8 minutes long, what you would do is you would make this 8 minutes long, and then you would press this, and then you would tap the photo, and then you would press you would tap the say the video was 8 minutes long, so all you would do is just tap the video, pretend this was a video, and you would press replace, and then you would add the photo, and the photo will replace it, and it should do something like this. Let me just add a quick little video really fast. We're gonna go with this little video, and then once you do that, you just press replace photos and tap that, and then boom, there you go. So I'm just going to delete that and just add this one in and make it 8 seconds long, because I think the video that I'm using is 8 seconds long. So I'm do that, just make it a little bit longer, just in case it's not 8 seconds long. And then once you do that, you're going to come down here to the bottom where it has all these little options, and you're going to press overlay and then press add overlay, and you can add photos and videos. And it also has these things right here that you can also add. So yeah, just in case you're wondering where I got my beep thing from. But anyways, we're going to add a video, and I'm going to choose this one. Oh, actually it was 43 seconds long, but whatever. So just gonna wait for that to finish loading, and depending on how short and long it is, it depends on like the time, however it takes is how long it is. So if you have like a 10-minute video, it might take about 25 to 30 minutes, depending on how long the video is in your storage space and all that type of stuff. So once you have that, this is me, so don't mind me. I was actually taking a photo for something. I think it was a thumbnail, or I was just trying to I think I was doing like a little photo shoot and practicing poses and stuff that I would do for that photo shoot. So now that you can just press this and scroll it, and I'm just gonna scroll it over some so that you guys can see me moving and stuff like that. Don't mind my face expressions, it's paused on random times in this video. And so now you're going to go and scroll through these options and press remove background. And down here at the bottom you can see it's counting up to removing the background, which is just showing how long it's going to take the background off of the entire video and stuff like that. So I'm just going to make the video a little bit longer. And then once that's that, then while I'm waiting for the background to the loading to finish so that it like can actually play, I'm gonna like size it up a little bit and just make it look realistic, I guess you could say, even though it's not really going to, because this is not my room, but still. Okay, so it did finish loading, so I should look something like this, you know, something simple. And depending on how your video is and like what background you use, it might look better than this, but this was my simpler explanation of just how to remove the background and add your own photo to it. So I hope this helped you guys. If you have any more questions or concerns about how to use this app and how to use the green screen, anything like that, please let me know in the comment section down below. If my comments are on, my Gmail is usually in my description box, but just to make it easier for you guys, I believe it in the comment section if my comments are on. If it's not, it's usually at the top of my description box. If it's not, I'll try to add it. And remember if I add it, I'll write it down, and then you can just email me then, and I can send you my number through there or anything like that. But if my comments are on, please feel free to comment any questions. It doesn't matter how many, because this app can be complicated if you don't know your way around how to edit and do stuff like that. So this is a very easy app to use once you get to know it and get to know how to use it and stuff like that. And
that's how you get a green screen. And then you just repeat that process with another photo or whatever you want to use, and then you can just get green screens. Just get green screens, and there you go. You got green screens. You got green screens. Simple as that. Very simple. So if this video helped you guys in any way, make sure you give this video a big thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button and become a Renee baby, because it's a Renee way, no way, that's a what, that's a period, because you guys are going to get so much better content this year. And make sure that you post notification bells on so you better when I upload the videos, because you do not want to miss out on anything at all. Anything. And if you guys want any more tutorials or stuff like this, make sure you comment down below so I can get that video out for you guys. And if you want to do a collab, make sure you hit me up in the comment section, and I'll reach out to you through my email, and then I'll send you my phone number, or I can just send you my phone number through the comment section if I feel comfortable doing that, and then we can link up, you know what I'm saying? So let me know if you want to be collab, and I will most definitely do a collab with you. So see you guys in my next video.